To learn the secret way of intermittent fasting, watch till the end. In this video, we will explore the health benefits and how to guide of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting alternates between periods of fasting and eating. Unlike traditional diets, it focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. This approach has gained popularity for its simplicity and effectiveness. People choose intermittent fasting for various reasons, from weight loss to health benefits. Benefits range from improved metabolism to better heart health. By limiting eating periods, we allow the body to use stored energy more efficiently. This can lead to numerous health improvements, which we will delve into in the following sections. Stay tuned to learn more about different fasting methods and how they can benefit you. Autophagy is a natural process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Intermittent fasting can enhance autophagy. When fasting, the body shifts from using glucose to burning fat, triggering autophagy. This process clears out old and defective cellular components. Autophagy helps prevent diseases, including cancer, by removing damaged cells. It also reduces inflammation and fights infections, contributing to overall health. Weight loss is one of the primary reasons people turn to intermittent fasting. Did you know that intermittent fasting has been practiced for centuries, even by ancient civilizations? Fasting helps control hunger hormones, such as ghrelin and leptin. These hormones play a crucial role in signaling hunger and fullness. Intermittent fasting can help balance these hormones, reducing cravings and overeating. Imagine having the power to say no to that tempting slice of cake. This makes it easier to maintain a calorie deficit, essential for weight loss. Fun fact, keeping a food diary can double your weight loss efforts. Additionally, fasting increases the body's insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes more efficient at using glucose, which is great news for your waistline. High insulin sensitivity allows cells to use glucose more efficiently, reducing blood sugar levels and preventing fat storage. It's like giving your metabolism a turbo boost. Intermittent fasting also boosts metabolism. When you fast, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. During fasting periods, the body shifts to burning fat for energy, enhancing fat loss and preserving muscle mass. Think of it as your body's way of spring cleaning. Combined with regular exercise, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. So, are you ready to unlock the power of intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting boosts the immune system and promotes cellular regeneration. Fasting periods give the body time to repair and rejuvenate itself. During fasting, the body enters a state of repair, producing new white blood cells. This helps fight off infections and diseases, making the body more resilient. Intermittent fasting also stimulates the regeneration of stem cells. Increased stem cell activity during fasting leads to better recovery from injuries and enhanced longevity. Fasting can reduce inflammation, linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, intermittent fasting contributes to a healthier body. It lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Intermittent fasting offers a plethora of health benefits. One of the most well-known is weight loss. By naturally reducing calorie intake and improving metabolic health, fasting helps in shedding excess weight. Beyond weight loss, intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity and reduces blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. Fasting can lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The process of autophagy, enhanced by fasting, helps in cellular repair and regeneration. This leads to improved immune function and reduced inflammation, crucial for preventing chronic diseases. Intermittent fasting also has mental health benefits, including increased mental clarity, better focus, and enhanced mood. Fasting holds deep cultural and spiritual significance across various traditions. In Islam, Ramadan fasting is a profound example. It is a time for spiritual reflection, increased devotion, and self-discipline. Beyond physical health, fasting fosters a sense of community, spiritual growth, and emotional well-being. Whether practiced for health or spiritual reasons, fasting has the potential to transform lives. Now I will tell you the secret way of intermittent fasting. The 20-hour fasting with 4-hour eating window. This method involves fasting for 20 hours a day and eating within a 4-hour window. During the fasting period, you will not eat any food and not have water or liquids. The eating window you are allowed to eat as much as you want, which should be balanced and nutrient-dense. This method is typical of Ramadan fasting, where Muslims fast from dawn till dusk. This method can help improve your body's ability to burn fat for energy, enhance mental clarity, and promote cellular repair. Whether you're looking to boost your metabolism, improve cognitive function, or simply try a new approach to eating, the 20-hour fasting method offers a unique and effective way to harness the benefits of intermittent fasting. Please subscribe, like, and share this video so we can bring you more helpful content.